What's good, everybody? We out here with the boy Carlos, the boy Jose. It was his birthday 2 days ago, so happy birthday on the comments below. Yeah. Anyways, we out here. We're about to put the coilovers on. Look at the boy. Yeah. Yeah. It's gonna be a mission. So they're gonna start the front. I'm gonna start taking everything out the back to get the back ones ready.
I just wanna know why every time I come around, motherfuckers think it's funny looking at me up and down. I don't really know you, you don't really know the crew. Stop acting like it's funny, not shit you gonna do. Look at you, crew not hard. Motherfuckers don't know that the kid had bars. Check ID, flow, police him down. You always acting funny till police come around. You got a new car, but you leasing it now. I got a big dog on a leash, I'm releasing him now. You don't police it a pound, I'm a beast in the hound. No crew loud, we ain't keeping it down, but we slowing it down. She got crew love, cause she holding us down, holding us down. Got young ins pouring out, they hosters now. Not shopping and holders now. What? All ball main, all this designer, Gucci and Prada. Spending a lot on weed and anything I need. I'm trying to smoke but not a fiend. I'm not attracted to the lean, so fuck all that promethazine. Don't make me start another scene. I grab your mother, make it scream and stab your brother, leave the scene, won't even see the car fleeing. Woo! Cop the old white whip, it stay clean, no. Always on the scene, winning like Charlie Sheen. No, they trying to take my green, but they can't, they not see low. Can't see through me, but I see through them. 10 so dark, can't peek through the vents. We'll leap through your fence, and I'm rolling with a motherfucking click that's tighter than Anderson's friends. And it depends how I'm feeling today. I'll pick up a bar, then I'm slamming away. Can we debate that I may be the best? I'm hushing haters up like putting babies to rest. I hustle around the face so they baby they stress. My weed so strong that it maybe just flex. Lately I got my haters depressed, and I leave them impressed, but they loving it though. Only thing I don't do is show love to a hoe. No love for the foes, no love to the feds. Shout out group chat, man, I fuck with my friends. Keep my circle small, no bugs in my band, man. I'm fucked in the head when I'm rapping this shit. I'm cracking the broad, how I'm slapping a bitch. I'm a masculine kid, an immaculate whiz. I'm immature a little bit, but I don't really give a lot of.
So we got the headliner off. So we have to move everything, the trim on here, the headliner, to be able to get to our mounts. Yep. Shout out to the boy Jesus, came out to help. Yeah, we out here. We're almost done. It's been like 10 minutes. We almost done. Yeah, we got one out. New one going in. So it's in. I wasn't recording my bad, everybody, but it's in. It's pretty simple, you know. Just stick it. It was just sticking that. We had to spread that, you know what I mean? That, and then we do that, and then we just.
What is it, compressor out of air or what? Oh, I turned it off.
Else.
And every bitch bagged in the back with a pack. Oh, that's your chick, that's why you're so sad. Like, oh, hit it, yeah, yeah, hit it, yeah, yeah, hit it. Oh, hit it, yeah, yeah, hit it, yeah, yeah, hit it. Oh.
Jesus out here putting the headliner back. Oh yeah.
His own. Damn, my nigga Harvey got his snap. You might need a little wash after this.
Yeah.
I guess in 4 or 5 years, the new generation's music will be, it'll have a synthesis of those two elements and some third thing that'll be entire. Maybe it'll be, it might rely heavily on electronics, tapes. I can kind of envision maybe one person with a lot of machines, tapes, electronic setups, singing or speaking and using machines.
We out here, round 2. Jesus is over here fixing his headlight. I guess he hit a deer. adjust it a little bit. You gotta raise it from the front because the fronts are fucking flush as hell. It's gonna be bad. And I'm on a freaking 2x4, so it'll be lower than my strong, I think. So we'll check it out. The back is tucked. The front, it's not tucked. We raised it a bit. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. Might have to raise it back a little. Sheesh, check that shit out. I'm in love with this bitch.